Okay, so this is what happens when you snap a bolt while changing your oil. Basically, you got that, which is the bad end of the bolt, or the bad bolt rather, and the other end is still in there. So what you want to do is you want to buy a replacement bolt. In this case, I'm doing it for a Honda cb300, and this is called a flange bolt, and the part number is 90012KYJ900, and I bought 4. So this is simply the replacement. So you can see here that the replacement is like that. Break that out. I'll show you the difference here. So that's basically the bolt. And what you want to do, you want to undo all these. So you can see here, I've over torqued the other bolt as well, and you can tell. I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but you can tell because it's skinnier in the middle. Let me just get a piece of paper here, so you might be able to see it better. You can see the bolt getting noticeably skinnier in the middle, and basically if you keep torquing it, it will eventually just split right in the middle there. So I'm not sure what the proper term for that is. I guess a stress fracture. So I've just bought all 4 to replace them. So you'll see I got my fresh filter in the gasket here, and then you can see sticking out right there the other bolt. So let me go ahead and, so what you want to do is you want to grab a set of vice grips like this. Let me see if I can get in a better angle here. And there might not be a lot of it sticking out. I want to grab it with the vice grips, with the needle nose pliers rather, and see if you can twist it out. Once you get a bit of it out, you can just push the rest out with your fingers. And that is the rest of the bolt. So you can see here is the 2 bolt bits. So now all we want to do is put in the new bolts, clean up the gasket surface, and bolt it all down with a torque wrench, and you're good to go. start the bike. And then you'll quickly know if it's leaking out or whatever. So you can just hold the towel.